Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, is back in the spotlight as reports surface that Nvidia is pushing for a major ramp up in production of its next generation H200 GPUs to satisfy surging demand from major Chinese tech players. That demand is said to be running well ahead of existing supply, underscoring just how central TSMC has become to the entire AI hardware supply chain. Many in the investing and tech communities see this as yet another reminder that TSMC's leading edge fabs are effectively irreplaceable, especially at the bleeding edge, where only a handful of companies in the world can even compete. The conversation right now is centered on the scale of the opportunity. Bulls argue that AI driven demand, combined with NVIDIA's dominance, positions TSMC for powerful multi year revenue growth and pricing leverage. At the same time, others are still weighing the risks tied to geopolitics, export controls, and the ongoing competitive push from players like Samsung and Intel. Despite those concerns, sentiment remains broadly positive as TSMC continues to demonstrate execution strength. Adding to the momentum, the company has begun mass production of its cutting edge 2 nanometer chips. TSMC says the N2 platform, expected to roll out in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2025, will deliver significantly higher transistor density alongside major gains in energy efficiency, making it ideally suited for power hungry AI and data center applications. The company has already described N2 as the most advanced semiconductor process in the industry, reinforcing its leadership position at the frontiers of chip manufacturing.
Okay, so this underlying trend on the stock is a strongly bullish one. Higher prices are expected to keep printing all the way towards mid to early February of this year, 2025. The 40-day moving average is also expected to continue to rise to serve as a buffer in case of any pullback. Projections are currently saying, beginning from the least, 243.9 to 254.14 to 70.68. Upper projections are 322.24, 340.25, 351.38. I think it's printed in 52-week high of 311. I think we have it here 313, okay, 310.14 as of the 10th of December. So it's actually resuming the uptrend. Yeah, as a matter of fact, it has actually been consolidating since early October. Yeah, it's been consolidating since then. But right now, the algos are suggesting that consolidation may be over. That maybe high prices may continue to print. Okay, so the momentum is expected to remain strong up till the close of remain expected to remain elevated up till the close of tomorrow, the 2nd of January. Then after that, it might decay and may not really return to the levels it's currently at right now. Okay, the probability of it retesting 310.14 is statistically less than 50%. Yeah, less than way less than 50%, but it does not mean it's not going to happen. It has already printed that, so the odds of it printing it is still pretty much there as well. On its weekly chart, we have the extrapolation is consolidation going all the way towards the 13th of July or thereabouts. Okay, but in the interim, in the very short term, up till early February, it's saying it's going to be higher prices. Okay, on this weekly chart, on the 40 period moving average is expected to continue to rise to serve as a buffer in case of any pullback. Here, the projections are saying 354.49, 387.98, and then 408.67. Momentum is expected to begin to trend. Okay, it's expected to remain strong or even get stronger up till the 26th of January. Then after that, it might be what looks like a consolidation. Okay, Yeah, yeah. Let's see now the 4 hour chart for the very short term. Okay, but okay, we don't have it hasn't it's at its all time highs, I think, on this weekly chart. Let's see now. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. Yeah. See the consolidation I'm talking about. It began. Yeah, this is the consolidation has been playing out since early October. Here on the 4 hour chart, it's higher prices is what is expected to remain in place up to the 8th of January, and then after that, a contraction. So, in the midst of all of this consolidation, there is a pattern that has played out. It has printed what looks like two cycle. It has printed a cycle. Let's see, from here we have one the half of a cycle, and then here's where we have a half of a cycle. So the previous half is a lot wider than the span is a bigger one. Yeah, it ended sometime in yeah, late November, and then the second half began then and ended yeah, it was the 17th of December. So it seems it's beginning to play out another cycle on this 4 hour chart. So for some reason, sometimes the 4 hour chart can be a lot more reliable. It has more data. It prints almost every day apart from Sundays, and Saturdays. Yeah. So for some reason, it's quite a relevant chart to say the least. So it seems another cycle is trying to play out. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Yeah, it has closed above its this pivotal projection of 303 302.94. It has closed above it, so it may continue to advance. Maybe it has actually okay. Well, maybe tried to maybe advance towards the highs of 309 309.99. As a matter of fact, this is not the highest it has actually printed. We have here 30, what do we have here? 306. No, what is this? 306. So on the daily chart, we have 310. For some reason, we don't have it here. We have, okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, 310.99 printed on the 16th of October. Yeah. So the probability of it retesting, let's see now, of it retesting 310.27 is statistically equally very low, less than 50% that it will do so. But it doesn't matter. It might still do it anyway, regardless of what the probabilities are saying. Yeah. So yes, have a look and see what you make of TSMC intraday high recently. As of yesterday, the 31st was 307.39. Yeah, it looks like it was quite a big day in that session. Let's see in terms of volumes. No, it wasn't. It was much a lot more. It was a lot more sedate. Yeah, 8.17 million shares on taper. The usual volume is around 11.538 million shares. Yeah, okay. Which by some standards is also small as well. 11.538 is by some standards quite small. Yeah. Okay. So just see what you make of TSMC, and we'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.